So you need to clean an electrical or mechanical component, but concerned about using a water-based solution? Introducing our new universal solvent cleaner, conveniently in an aerosol. This cleaning product is super easy to use. 1. Simply press the atomizer and direct the spray nozzle at the intended cleaning area and watch the dirt evaporate away. 2. Never dilute the cleaner. For best results, use directly on surfaces that require cleaning. Powasol Universal Solvent Cleaner is a unique aerosol cleaner formulated for fast-acting cleaning that evaporates in seconds along with dust and residue from first application. You won't believe how effective and convenient cleaning can be. For items that can't tolerate water, it's perfectly suited to clean brake discs and cabling, carburettors, electrical contacts, and even sealed bearings. And it's non-corrosive, so no worries. When using Powasol Universal Solvent Cleaner, remember to use gloves for sensitive skin and safety glasses to protect your eyes, both in home use or working environment. At Powasol, we care. We care about you, so never puncture the aerosol can or spray near an open flame, as the product is highly flammable. We care about the environment, so dispose of the empty aerosol responsibly, as this is a solvent-based product that can potentially harm the environment if disposed of into drains, sewers, or areas of vegetation. Look for our Powasol Universal Solvent Cleaner at most leading retailers and hardwares nationally. Choose Powasol for a powerful solution every time.